Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It is December 11th when I'm recording this. I hope everyone's doing well and enjoy the weekend. Now, we do have a couple things coming up this week. So if we look at the economic calendar, well, we do have CPI, and then we have PPI coming up on Wednesday, and then we have the FOMC. So the idea is that they're not going to be raising interest rates. They're just going to keep it steady. But of course, the market cares about what Jerome Powell says and how he's going to guide further. So really kind of look for those fireworks about the 11:30 time frame for Jerome Powell once he does his Q&A. We know that the market can get a little bit chaotic once he comes out and starts talking. So just kind of be aware for that. The other thing I wanted to show you as far as the market goes, there has been a difference between the regular cap-weighted indexes versus the equal weight. So here is the SPY, and then what we can do is check out the RSP, which is the equal weight. You'll see a pretty good difference. We've actually seen that the Moxie indicator is still above zero, and we've had price following the hourly 50 very, very well. Now, granted, from an absolute perspective, it is further down. But what I've been seeing lately is that the small caps, basically the rest of the market, is really starting to play catch up and starting to get on board. And another very clear way that we can see this is if we look at the NASDAQ. Now, NASDAQ is having a good day today, sure. But what I want to point out is that the NASDAQ did get overbought, and it had to pull back to its daily 21 and also break the hourly 50, the Moxie indicator, below zero. So pay attention to that compared to the QQQE, which is the equal weight. And what you'll see here is that it definitely played catch up. You can see that it did not pull back to its daily 21 and really, for the most part, did not break its hourly 50. Took a little bit of a dip, but basically here has been following, and now it's up again. And the Moxie indicator just barely got to zero and stayed above. So what I'm looking at through here is it's telling me that, yes, originally the mega caps led, the FANG stocks, the Apple, the Amazon, Microsoft, we saw a lot of those things. Adobe really kind of moved up, and those carry the market. But then something changed, and the rest of the market said, oh, okay, well, we need to get on board. And that's another way you can see it is with the IWM, small caps. They've been just on fire, just going kind of straight up and through here. So the mega caps took a little bit of a breather. They were overbought. Maybe some money is kind of cycling out of them because what we can see is, Microsoft pulled back for a little bit, which is making sense. This all really just makes sense. And you can see here, talk about timing. There's your Moxie price trigger, and there's your Moxie price trigger. So in and out, as far as that trade, was absolutely perfect. So make sure you guys get the Moxie indicator. We have it on TradingView, we have it on StockCharts.com, and we, of course, have it on Thinkorswim. So we have that. And again, if we go back to the QQQE, this is what I'm seeing. It looks like the majority of other stocks are starting to wake up and pay attention and get on board. And we're seeing the equal weights even start to really do well. So it's fantastic to see that. Now, maybe we're getting into the area of being overbought. The internals are kind of showing that everything is already pushed to the upside. Maybe we can get some rotation if certain areas want to come back down in order for the indexes, for them to flag sideways, find support, because this is a little bit crazy, But we'll see. Hey, keep playing the long side. We still have moves going. You just have to make sure you're sticking with a good stock and something that's winning. All right, guys. Well, thanks again. Remember, if you can come over to simplertrading.com/Moxie if you guys are interested in the Moxie indicator or the Moxie Trading Room. We talk about this stuff all day, every day. Looking forward to seeing you in there. All right, guys, take care.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.